at that.
Yeah, black goat with some white. Right in peace, only for the
La Luma is that's the. Burger. It's a burger. Ham and cheese. Cheese. Ham and egg and cheese.
That's not even a real house.
This is a house. What are you talking about? This is a house.
I know it's a house.
You just take the stair because it's too heavy for them to carry. But when they put it into the new location, you gotta cover this. Yeah, that's $25? Oh my god. $25 for a burger?
But what if it goes down?
Okay, read it.
Anything can be
Cured in the Philippines.
Fish balls, chicken.
Chicken feet.
Chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
Go down now. Need some weight. BooBoo patties.
Yeah, that's
Egg sandwich.
$22?
My goodness, Lulu, you forgot something.
That's how it's up there, right?
Okay, go down. I'll go up.
And that's $22? Good Lord, that's a lot of money. This is Jollibee?
Yeah.
This is the thing for, this is the logo, the mascot or whatever?
That's just blood.
Is this really Jollibee?
Yeah. Jollibee and the one is McDonald's.
Come on, anos lubot na, lubot. Miss Ugly. Come on, no more. Make sure you redesign.